How to delete a Facebook account 2026 step by step. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete Facebook account. First open your Facebook app and the mobile phone. Now tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. After that scroll down little and tap on setting and privacy. Next click on settings. Once you tap on setting a new interface will open. Now careful look here and tap on help center. After opening the help centers, you will see manage options. Tap on it. Now you will see an option cancelled, deactivation or deletion. Tap on these options. Here you will see two options: deactivate account, delete account. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, delete account option. After selecting it, tap on delete account. Now Facebook will ask you are a reason why when to delete your account. You can select any region. After that enter your Facebook account password. Again on delete account. Finally you will see a confirm delete account option. Tap on it. That it your Facebook account will be successfully deleted. If you found this video, I will show you how to fix. Like, share and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.